Hi, today we are going to be doing a very simple but very awesome project, and that is Minion Stix. So we love minions at Make, they're such good fun. What could you use these for? You could come up with a little puppet show, decorations, whatever. You tell us, you send in the pictures of what you're using these for and how creative you're going to be with them. We'd love to see the pictures, love to see videos. If you do a little play, that'd be amazing. So let's get to it. To make this, you will need lollipop stick. Dead easy. If you haven't got one, get down the shops and ask mum and dad to get some ice lollies, and then you can have the ice lollies and then just say it's because you want to reuse the lollipop stick and you'll get a bonus lolly out of it. Okay, so lollipop stick, colouring pens, a blue, a black and a yellow. If you're lucky enough to have googly eyes in your crafting drawer or wherever you keep your crafting stuff, that's fantastic. You could use a googly eye and some glue to add the detail. If you haven't, don't worry, you just use the black pen. So this is a really straightforward one. We're going to use the yellow pen. We're going to make a mark about 2/3 of the way down, and we're going to add some colour for the minion body. That's the first thing we're going to do. Done. So we've got the yellow body there. If I wanted to, I could do the edges and I could do the back of it as well. But for the sake of speed in this demo, I'm just going to do the front side. Next up is the blue. I'm going to start by drawing a line, make it nice and defined, and then just apply the colour. You can obviously do this with paint as well. I'm just doing felt tip pen because they work quite well. And they're nice and quick, and it's a bit cleaner, and there's less setting up and tidying up and putting away at the end of it. So there we've got our main minion stick there. So we just need to add some detail, and I'm going to do that using the black pen. He's a happy minion, so I'm going to give him a smiley face. Smiley face minion. I'm going to give him some hair. There we go, so he's got some hair. Now he's missing his eye. So this is where I could glue on the googly eye, so it looks like that. But it's not the sort of thing that you might have lying around, so I'm just going to show you how to do it with the black felt tip pen. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a bigger circle that almost hits the full width of the lollipop stick, but not quite. Okay. Then I'm going to draw another circle inside that circle and leave a little bit of yellow just for some light reflecting from his eye. There we go. Now, this minion is going to have goggles on, so I'm going to give him some goggle straps. This is going to be the last bit of detail I'm going to add. And there's my minion stick. It's so easy, it's so straightforward, but the fun part is how you use these, what you're going to use these for in a creative way. How are you going to make these even more special? So think about that. Please send in photographs and videos of your creations and how you're using them. We'd love to see them. We'd love to show them off. So have some fantastic fun with the Minion Stix. All right.